Are you looking for the best ring lights in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best ring lights that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, iMartine, LED ring light 8 inches with tripod stand and phone holder. The iMartine ring light offers a shadow-less illumination thanks to its dual lighting feature. Its design provides a softer, brighter, and flicker-free lighting for more impressive results. The light color and temperatures adjust comfortably for a customized outcome. For instance, the color changes from 2700K to 6000K while the temperatures adjust from 1% to 100%. Therefore, this is a perfect ring light for shooting in different environments. The ring light features a nice 2-in-1 tripod stand for extra stability and better operations. The tripod adjusts to heights of between 38 to 73 inches. With the stand, this ring light sits comfortably on desks or just over the ground. The rotary screws also offer easy loosening for convenient height adjustments. With the ultra-grade sturdy aluminum alloy material, the tripod provides ultimate safety for your ring light. At number 4, Andoer, 10-inch ring light kit. Andor is a great ring light equipped with advanced dimmable LEDs for better images and videos. It offers 10 adjustable lighting levels. That way, you enjoy convenient light adjustments so that you get the most customized outcome. The Andor ring light doesn't produce any UV or infrared red, thus offering a shadow-free outcome. The low heat output also makes the ring light perfect for different uses. The height-adjustable tripod stand allows you to use the LED ring light on the tabletop or floor with ease, and the rotatable ball head adapter makes it easy to adjust the angle of the light. At number 3, Prismatic Lighting, 18 inches dimmable LED halo ring light. Prismatic Lighting is an 18-inch ring light equipped with 240 LEDs for brighter and shadow-free illumination. It comes with a built-in dimmer that offers convenient control of brightness, making it ideal for different environments. For instance, you can increase or decrease the light to suit different brightness levels. The light set includes a durable hot shoe camera mount that offers effortless operations. While the mount is durable, it only supports up to 2 pounds. This ring light easily snaps on diffusion plates for convenient and more effective operations. At number 2, Diva Ring Light, Supernova 18 inches dimmable professional studio lighting kit. Transform your look with this amazing Diva ring light. It features a next-generation design, which boasts a 5400K bulb that offers bright and shadow-free lighting. With its dimmable button, you get customized experiences. The button dims from 100% to 20% to suit different environments. The ring light also includes a perfect diffusion cloth that offers excellent shadow reduction. The Diva ring light provides soft and even lighting for that perfect video and image outcome. The product also offers multiple setup options, making it perfect and ideal for different shots. With this kit, you get all the necessary accessories required for excellent performances. For instance, there's a nice gooseneck attachment for easy mounting on the stand kit. At number 1, Auxiwa ClipOn Selfie Ring Light. Look flawless in your videos and selfies with this excellent and top-quality ring light from Auxiwa. It delivers soft and shadow-free illumination for excellent services. Additionally, the adjustable color and temperatures deliver a customized shooting for better images. The Auxiwa ring light provides professional results. With the sturdy stand, the product also guarantees stability and safety. The adjustable heights also offer more convenient operations. This is a complete set that comes with all the accessories needed for better and more vibrant photos. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.